Now, Luciano's latest restoration, he did a 350 RD. He's kind of finished it up and it's ready for prime time, and we decided today was a great day to get out on the two strokes. Head up to the Cracked Pot, where it's always a lot of fun. That's a nice ride up to Warwick. You can join us for this day in full 4K. Just adjust your device accordingly. Well, it looks like we have yet another beautiful day. Small chance of rain. We're going to try to get out early and burn some two-stroke oil. So whenever we have one of these days where we're riding a bike on a relatively long ride that we haven't gone on a long ride with the bike before, whether it's my bike or Luciano's, we always bring plenty of tools, plenty of spark plugs, and today we needed them. But it was a great day and the weather played to our favor. I wanted to get my bike looking good, and I wanted to clean it up. I'm always fussy about keeping the bikes nice and clean. A lot of people don't care. Well, I do care, but it's all in the eye of the beholder anyway. And getting the bike pre-flighted, since we're going to be probably at some point in time, maybe 60 miles from home, I don't want to have to be thinking about having a flat tire or running out of two-stroke oil. But the big thing today is we have two strokes, and usually we on a ride like this, at some point in the day it does get a little competitive and we start overdoing it a little bit, maybe. Who knows? Even more reason to make sure we're all full on two-stroke oil, and the bikes have a fresh set of plugs in them. And I look forward to these two-stroke days more than any other ride. Because basically wherever you go, and no matter where you stop or wherever you go on a meetup, there's plenty of four-strokes, there's plenty of sport bike, plenty of touring and adventure bikes. But as time is going by, the two-strokes are getting less and less and less. And I wanted to get all the chores done. I want to feed the fish. Check out Karen's garden. Her garden has just been coming out great this year. I just can't tell you how happy she is about it. And it's time to get out on the open road, and I'm ready. And it won't be long, and we'll be harvesting vegetables and fresh flowers virtually every day. You guys are just in time.
Just in time for the big move?
The big bananas are being delivered here. Holy mackerel. You awake, Mike?
I'm awake.
You don't look so good. That trip to Lake Placid must have taken a lot out of you.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. So we're going to head up to the Cracked Cup in Warwick and try to meet up with Vlad if we can get him out of bed in the morning. Vlad has a sleeping, waking up in the morning issues, so yeah, maybe. We haven't been up there in a while, and they were open, let's see, more than a year we haven't been up there. They were open on Saturday, but not on Sunday, but, well, we'll find out when we get up there. You know, this is how you practice stealing a motorcycle.
Other side of what?
Up the hill?
We're going up the hill. Oh my God. How many bikes have you stolen in your life?
The better thing is, how many Italians does it take to push a bike?
Oh, I don't. It looks like you got 4 there now.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, rowed a boat. 1, 2, 3, rowed a boat. Oh, I knew it. I knew. Notice who's in management? Look, I love being in management. So much fun. Guy, if you saw the gas tank he has for that, the gas tank, he got a gas tank from India. It feels like it's full of gas, but it's empty. It's so heavy. I could not believe it.
Lead.
It's made out of 1/4-inch steel. It's not on the bike. It's down the cellar. Oh, you got it running already, right? Okay. That'll go away. There's not a mosquito alive in Oakland.
Did they forget?
Well, we made it up here. We haven't been here in a long time, though.
Yeah.
I wonder if the same people own it. I guess we're gonna. We are here in just east of Warwick on 94, the Cracked Pot. A matched pair of Smokies, babe. We made it up here. It's unusual to get this far away from home and not break down.
It's not over yet.
The day's not over yet. Maybe I'm calling the devil. Actually, we had a good ride up here. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. And the two strokes are smoking away. Actually, I think Luciano's just got to adjust the oil pump. Mine is running, well, we made it here. That's always the test. Now, because we hadn't been here in a while, I had to check out the menu and all the new stuff. Looks like they might have redecorated the place, I'm not sure. But anyway, there's a lot of good choices on food. It's right on Route 94, just a little bit east of Warwick, and they're very, very motorcycle friendly.
Nice and romantic under here.
Look at this, we're like in Ibiza. They
Join
put
us.
Oh yeah, Daytona Beach, hey, the bikini girls are out here. Oh. Sadly, we're waiting for Vlad, but he had a little problem with the bike. He hit a pothole with the bike. I don't know, we gotta find out if he's gonna be okay.
Too old when I started. I got the license, I got everything, but I don't have confidence. And I am too old to fall and get hurt.
Too old. Never.
Not us, we get hurt. He's just got out of the hospital.
79.
Yeah, but did you drive when you were younger?
I rode the bike when I was 14.
I never rode a bike.
Oh, okay.
You start driving, ride a
You
bike.
can start with that one.
At the school that I went to, they had the little, they were small bikes.
Yeah.
Look at Papa.
Kenny Roberts has nothing on you, son. Yay! He's ready to race, baby. So it looks like we're going to be joined by some clouds here very soon, or maybe cutting this ride a little short. We don't measure the mileage, we measure how much oil does it use.
When I started back, so much oil came out from the bike. So
Oh yeah, you told me, yeah. Oh, the chrome is not bad on this either. The chrome is nice.
now the back has a little...
So the weather really did turn on us right at the end of the day, too, after we were eating and showing off the bikes to Harley owners and whatever, young kids, and anybody that listened to our sob stories about two-strokes. Anyway, but we both made it home, despite a few plug changes, despite smoking up the universe. It just is so much fun and so nostalgic for me, and I know it is for Luciano, too. And whether you're riding a competition or you're riding a dirt bike or a snowmobile, there's something about the sound of those two-strokes when they go through the gears. I don't know what it is, and I really don't spend too much of my life trying to figure it out, because it's just fun to do it. And we're going to be doing more of them in the near future. It looks like Luciano's got his almost dialed in, and mine gets better as time goes by, but it's always, always an adventure. And thanks so much for watching.